See, this what about to happen. Some shit gonna go down. Always gonna go down deep like a motherfucker. Go in his front butt. Think he can come around the game talking all this and that and this. Nah, hell no, nigga. I see the grease on my face. You know what? I'm gonna wipe his grief off his mouth. I said grief. Once again, I fucked up. But I apologize, America. Dave Carvajal. Talking about he funny. Do this shit in one take, knuckle. Your little skinny head. Justin Waxman. Al knock a bitch. Them two niggas had kids. Tom Hanks looking niggas. With muffins hanging out their motherfucking ears. And shit. Once again. Hold on, nigga. Oh, Tyler. Sound like a motherfucking carnival ride. Tyler. Let's get on the motherfucking Tyler. This nigga. He mad 'cause he ain't got no corn dogs in his life. He got it in his blood. Like, where's all the corn dogs at? Nigga, they circulating through your veins. Your arteries. You need a motherfucking ambulance and shit. Filled with cotton candy. And then once you get the motherfucking ambulance up in the spot, here come Cody front back. Eating all the cotton candy. This nigga. And then Tom Hanks is like, what's that? Oh. Fuck me all the hell. Rick come out with his 70s style porno mustache. Talking about, who fucking up my business? Jim say, shut up, little nigga. Sit your ass down before I fuck your business up. I said business. One kind of business. Square. I'll quote, unquote, motherfucking Orlando Bar. Square business. Unmotherfucking quote. Nigga, turn the camera off. I don't even want to see no more of this monkey ass, rabbit ass. Get your motherfucking mind right. Fucking dick in the booty head. Look it. I could draw one of them. Your mama ain't. Trick ass, motherfucking head. Turn the camera off. I said turn, that's right. I said turn the camera off.